Hello and welcome back, beautiful Libras. Thank you for joining me here. I hope you're all doing amazing. Let's get straight to Libra's messages, please. One more. Libra. Fashionista. You know how to dress the part, accentuating your best features and making heads turn your way, becoming the center of attention anywhere you go. Resilience. You don't give up despite the obstacles ahead. You know how to take care of yourself and find peace in the storms of life. Daydreamer. You can use your imagination and creativity to create a wide array of routes to success and build your dreams to live an abundant life. Persuasive. You have the power of making people give to you and build deep connections, making it easy to get what you wish. Feeling. You can make others feel what you feel. Your energy inspires energy. Just be careful with what you invoke or inspire in others, because it'll come back to you. Illuminator. You radiate energy that lights up any room with great power to heal those around you and crack their hearts wide open. This gift can make people run from your light. So be careful what you open up here, because it'll come back to you. You have the ability to crack people open and illuminate what needs to be seen. But some people don't like that, Libra. Presence. The energy of presence supports your ability to focus our full attention and stay in the here and the now. So you don't want to be going around digging up too many past wounds here in people, because they just may not be ready for what you have to illuminate to them. Sensuality. Expression. So this is abundance, the energy of love and abundance. Like, you may be doing it from a good place, but not everybody's ready to hear what you have to say. Or see what it is you see. This is an observer. Oh, geez. Someone does not feel blessed here. There's a masculine energy here. This is fate. Like, you could have been trying to give someone a leg up to help them mend, but quite honestly, until the person is ready to heal, they're going to run from you. Time to go. Takes strength to move forward. But something is very complicated here. There could be too many differences. Like, You're illuminating someone's demons or dark side, and they may not be ready to see it, know it, or hear it. There's a bunch of chaos here. Careful what you invoke in others. It's saying to be careful what you illuminate. Because somebody is observing here. There's stuck energy. So somebody may be turning their back because they don't want to face something. Like you light up every room and you are an energy that attracts attention where you go. And it's almost like people notice you. But quite honestly, somebody isn't ready to learn the lesson, hear what you have to say, or careful what you invoke in people. Because they may not be ready. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's just like this is not good energy. Somebody's not ready to hear what you have to say. They don't want you looking into them. It's time to go. It's causing someone to run. They don't want to see. They don't want to hear. They don't want to know. Nope, something is too painful. Something is just too painful to look at. Something is too painful for someone to look at or to deal with. Ooh. No, they don't want to. It's too painful. Someone's just like, I don't want to look at it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to know it. It's too painful. Maybe embarrassing, guilt. I don't know what this is. This is abundance. Someone's angry. It's provoking anger in someone. It is. Careful what you crack open and who you crack open, because they may not be ready to deal with it, handle it, address it. It's causing someone to run. It's pissing someone off. It's making someone very angry. And I'm not sure why they're so angry. It's whatever you're saying. It's whatever you're communicating, Libra. There's too much hurt. There's too much pain. Look, I'm telling you, it's too hurtful. So you might be trying to crack someone open. You might be trying to get to the root of something when somebody is just simply not equipped to handle what you're opening up. They're not equipped to handle it. So you've really got to watch opening a can of worms here, because it's more complicated than what someone thinks. The pain is too much. The pain is too deep. The pain is so deeply embedded that someone keeps prying, trying to get someone to open up, but the wounds are too deep. Whoa, my God, or too many people are gonna get hurt. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. With all these queens here, hang on. Let me get another deck for you. Okay, let's find out what this is. Libra, what is this too deep to open up? What is this too deep to open up? What is this about for Libra? an ex-hater will try to reach out to reconcile with you. So an ex-hater will apologize and have a change of heart. But spying on you is part of their daily routine. They have evil intentions, and their intentions will fail. Be careful what you open up and who you open up to. Be cautious of, you might be opening up a can of worms. Use a lot of caution of what you say, especially to friends or ex-haters. They're mad because they see you winning. These are haters. Be careful what you open up. There is chaos here. Somebody wants to cause you some trouble here, Libra. So you might see something, you may know something, but do not share that information, because you could be opening up Pandora's box, or you could be opening up a can of worms that you may regret opening up. Spending their money on spell work that never works. They're trying to tarnish your reputation. So don't say too much. That's what it's saying. Someone's trying to defame your name. And someone is doing white magic on you to help protect you. Someone in your immediate circle is the one creating energetic chaos. We have a Queen of Pentacles. We have a High Priestess. We have a Queen of Wands and a Queen of Swords. It is someone in your immediate circle. They're actually a hater, and they're going to try to apologize, and they're going to try to come back in. But do not trust them. Because they're spying on you, and they're trying to get information on you, and they're trying to tarnish your reputation. And it's someone within your own circle, people that are currently around you. So you have someone doing white magic on you to help protect you. But you need to be cautious of what you say and who you say what to. These could be accusations trying to attack your reputation, turn others against you. Now look, it could cost you work if you're not careful. Just be careful. It's someone in your immediate circle. You may have said something, Libra, that is like opening up Pandora's box here. You may have opened a can of worms or touched on something that you should not have touched on. Stay in the here and the now. They're angry and they're resentful. So someone is doing some white magic to help protect you from something or someone. This is a hater. Trying to cause chaos, and it's someone within your immediate circle. Causing chaos in your relationships. Careful what you open up. It's like you may have illuminated something about someone. So you have someone doing white magic on you to help protect you. There's an evil force here. Causing chaos, and it is someone within your immediate circle. Is this fear? Is this pulling the wool over someone's eyes? Is this jail? It's karma. Destiny, fate. Someone could be afraid of their karma. Jesus. Someone is paying for spell work. That never works. So it's almost like they're going to be brazen enough to come toward you, to make amends with you. It's almost like they want to drop their bad karma onto you. See? Their burdens. There's someone doing magic here that never works. They're paying for magic that never works. This is a Queen of Cups. And it's like they're trying to tarnish your finances, your friendships, and your reputation. Be careful who your friends are, who you're confiding in. I don't like it. Jesus. Death threats. Somebody's trying to one-up you. Whoever this person is, they're trying to haters will always gaslight. Clue. Oh, it even could be your ex. I don't like the energy. I don't like it one bit, Libra. Careful who you say what to. Careful what you open up. In the quest of being honest, in the quest of telling your truth. Because you are cracking something open in somebody. That you're going to wish you never tried to crack open. And that's not to scare you. That is advice that the Spirit is trying to convey to you. Watch your friends, because someone in your immediate circle is not your friend. It's like they're your hell, it could even be your ex, but it's like they come in like a friend, but they're not a friend. They're the enemy. You may have a suspicion be suspicious about someone's lifestyle, or it's a can of worms. And whoever they are in your immediate group of friends, in your immediate circle of people you talk to. And they're a gaslighter. They're just telling you what you want to hear. To get in good with you. It's somebody wanting to get in good with you. And you're already probably suspicious of them. Don't confide in them. Don't try to crack them open. Don't try to find out what's wrong, because it's like, I don't know. They're trying to like get in good with you to claim credit for your success. And they hate seeing you win. Be careful of who you share your personal information with. Someone will try to defame your name. And they're in your own group of people. I don't like that energy one bit. So it's like misery likes company here, or something like that. Snakes in the grass, beware. Take care, beautiful Libra, and I hope that this gives you a few clues of who it is. It's like they want to dump off their bad karma onto you for what they did. I mean, they're doing black magic or spending all their money on spell work. But then, because that doesn't work, it's like then they're coming to you. Beware of people giving you gifts. Beware of people who seem just a little too friendly. Gaslighters. Telling you what you want to hear. Get close to you so you confide in them. Take care now.